Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today is my meal. I want to try to make mapo tofu. You know the mapo tofu? It's a very famous Chinese recipe using ground meat. This one is mixed up beef and pork, mixed about 50-50. And tofu, you know the tofu, right? And I'm gonna make kind of like Sichuan spicy paste. One of Doubanjiang and Doubanjiang, and this one is my favorite. Doubanjiang. It's Sichuan paste, a little bit spicier. So this is a good item of making my original mapo tofu. Okay, I'm just starting with garlic sprouts. Usually mapo tofu are using like garlic leaf, but I cannot get in Japan supermarkets. But my favorite is garlic sprouts. Just mix up, then make it. Okay, let's start cooking. Okay, so tofu. Tofu has many different type of chewing texture. One of very soft one is called kinugoshi. And a little bit hard type with we call momen kinugoshi tofu and momen tofu. So this one is a little bit special tofu from Kyoto City in Japan. This one is using very famous winter season in Japanese recipe, hot pot, udofu. Udofu means kind of like basic kombu based broth inside clay pot, hot pot, then dipped in the tofu, and then boiling up, heating up hot, then dip some dipping sauce, then eat. It's a very famous recipe in the udofu. I'm just try to use a type of udofu from Kyoto. This one is a little bit hard texture, kind of like a momen type of tofu, like a middle, little bit hard texture tofu. But some people using very soft type is kinugoshi, very soft, but very easy to broken up. So that's why I'm just using like a type of semi, hard type of moment type of tofu. This one is from Kyoto. It's a special tofu. Okay. Switch like that. And salad oil a little bit. This pan is still cold, but easy, broken up type of ground meat. Getting high temperature, but easy to broken up. Like this. Just salad oil. Saute with ground meat, beef, and pork, like this. So, like this, the tofu, the boiling. Good. You can see that clean oil come out. Then keep it. Okay. So today I'm trying to use many different kinds of spice. One by Ichimi, Huajiao Doubanjiang, and Tenmenjiang, and chicken soup powder. Okay. Green onion. I recommend this kind of cutting style. It's easy to chopping. Like this. Today is a little bit different cutting style, using slicing cut. The very important part, making the basic spicy mapo tofu sauce. Oil, high flame. Ginger and garlic. Tenmenjiang. Sake, soaking sake a little bit. Doubanjiang, Huajiao Doubanjiang, this is Ichimi powder, chili powder, I love spicy. Switch. Garlic sprouts. Water, 200 cc. Chicken soup powder. Pepper, soy sauce, just a little bit. Onion. Tofu. Mayo. Try to taste a little bit. Niku miso. So good. This is the potato starch. 10 gram potato starch and 50 cc water. Like this. Taste again. Perfect. Okay, today is my lunch. This is my day off. That's why I'm just eating my lunch. Mapo tofu with garlic sprouts. My original recipe. I'm just a little bit arrangement of a recipe, my style. Yeah. Anyway, let's try to eat. Tofu with ground meat and Sichuan spicy paste. いただきます。Oh, so good. So tasty. Please try it. Mapo tofu is my original recipe, sauté with garlic sprouts. Thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.